Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change language on Bluesky Social App. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Bluesky app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then go to Settings option. Here you can see the Languages option. Tap on it. Now from the App Language option, tap on the drop-down icon. From the list of languages, select the one you want to use. The app will automatically update to reflect your choice. Once you have chosen your language, Bluesky will refresh and all menus, buttons and options will now appear in your selected language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Bluesky Social App. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.